Hey folks, it's Red here. I'm gonna show you a little thing that I bought a while back. Dewalt makes, made for cutting sheet metal. I bought one of these years ago, but Dewalt didn't make them. It wasn't near as good as this. And this one tightens down to your drill. This turns either way you want it. This stretches out or closes in. This locks it to keep it from turning. And I'm gonna cut some metal roofing here, but if I'm cutting something flat, I like it straight like that. But going over these ribs, I always turn it sideways and tighten it down. That way your drill ain't getting in the way, because this thing's going back and forth. So I'll give you a little demonstration here. Makes quick work out. It's better than snips. Now, it's a pretty good tool. This is my very last piece I got put up, and that's a flat run there. So I'm going to turn this thing back straight up and down, because it's easier to eyeball cutting that line right there. Let's try that now. There's my last piece I'm gonna put up, and that little roof is finished. All right, folks, go get you one if you need it. Well worth the money. Thanks.